Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to hide the like and share counts on your Threads posts using an Android phone. This is a useful feature if you prefer a cleaner look or want to avoid the pressure of visible engagement metrics. Let's get started. First, open the Threads app on your Android phone. Make sure you're in the Profile section. You can do this by tapping your profile icon. Next, find the post on which you want to hide the like and share counts. Then, tap the three dots icon located next to the post. This will open a menu with several options. Now select Hide Like and Share Counts from the list. After doing this, go back to your profile page. Finally, refresh the profile by pulling down. You will now see that the like and share counts on the post are hidden. This simple process helps you customize your Threads profile to your liking. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.